So Trumpo is saying that he's going to be reinstated in August. Yeah, for some reason he's thinking that, but no, there's a better chance he's going to be in handcuffs by August or living in Russia. Those two possibilities are a lot more probable than him being reinstated. Yeah, so what's he going to be reinstated for there, Dougie Ducote? Huh? How's that going to work constitutionally? It's not. So what's he going to do? He's going to claim the election was stolen from him. Hell, he's been doing that for 6 fucking months now. He's went to court with it, and they keep spanking him with it. Get that shit out of here is what the court's telling. So how the fuck's he going to do this, Dougie? Is he going to incite another damn riot where all you idiot motherfuckers over on the right, you get your guns out, you come out, and you're going to get old Trumpo back in there? No, because it's going to get to a point. It's going to get to a point. If these dumb motherfuckers on the right keep going, it's going to get to the point where people are going to die. Lots of people are going to die. And old Dougie's going to be out there with his lie. Because that's what Douglas Ducote is a fucking liar. He's going to be out there saying, oh yeah, it was stolen from old Trumpo. It was stolen from him. We're just making things right. No, Dougie, that's not going to happen. That is not going to happen. Trumpo is running fucking scared right now because he knows he's got prosecutors breathing down the back of his fucking neck. And they're going to get him, Dougie, because he knows he's a guilty motherfucker. You know how we know he's a guilty motherfucker, Dougie? Because he was out the other day saying, you can't let that happen. They're coming after me criminally. You can't let that happen because they're coming after you too. All right, I'll give him that. Yep, we're coming after all of you. You know why? Because you're a sorry son of a bitch, Douglas Ducote. You're a sorry traitor son of a bitch. That's why we're after you. That's why we're after old Trumpo, because all of you are a bunch of motherfucking traitors. So, yeah, old Trumpo, there's a better chance by August he's going to be living in Russia. And if he defects to Russia, Dougie, that gives us the reason to take his motherfucking ass out. Call it national defense. Because he's a dumb motherfucker. But he's got inside information as to how and where our military is deployed. So we'll have to take that motherfucker out to shut his ass up. And you know good and well, Dougie, he'll rat us out in a fucking heartbeat. He'll rat us out like it in a fucking heartbeat, Douglas Ducote, because he's a traitor. Just like you, Douglas Ducote. Just exactly like you traitor motherfucker. So when you're seeing old Trumpo out there hollering, oh, I'm going to be reinstated by August, that's not going to be constitutional. The courts are not going to allow it. No, that's not going to happen, Dougie. The motherfucker is running scared. He's got prosecutors breathing down his fucking neck, and he's not liking it a bit. Accountability is coming his way, Douglas Ducote, and he doesn't like it a bit. So he'll rile people up like you, Dougie. He'll tell you a bunch of bullshit that he knows you're going to believe. You know why? Because he knows you're a dumb motherfucker, Douglas Ducote. Trumpo knows you're a dumb motherfucker. You'll believe anything he tells you. Because you got a 10-cent fucking brain. That's how it is, Douglas Ducote. So when old Trumpo defects to Russia to avoid a jail sentence, Yeah, we're going to see, Dougie. We're going to see. Mm-hmm. But you can always count on Dougie Ducote to come with the stupid to be against our Constitution because he hates that damn Constitution. He hates people voting, especially those ones that vote against him. Trump owed a traitor. Douglas Ducote traitor. Clown posse traitor bitches. That's what you are, Dougie. You're just a traitor motherfucker. Got that, Dougie? Good.